Hey, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. And today we've got basically how to scam Discover out of about $32 a quarter. So I'm going to show you guys how I've done this. I've done this in the past, and the first thing I wanted to show you was this up here, this screen, just because just to show that I have done this in the past. So $161 is not life-changing stuff, but it is very easy to get, so you might as well do it. So check this out. Basically what you're going to do, let's go into the full calendar 5% here, if we can get it to pull up. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to come in here, and for this month, this is the this is the July through September. So I've already activated this, but what you're going to do is you're going to activate this. You have to have the Discover It card, but I have a link in the description if you want to sign up for that through my link. I believe it's $50 that you get for signing up through that. We would both get $50. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to send $1,457.43 on PayPal to a friend who you trust. Could be a family member, spouse, whatever. You send them that amount of money and you're going to get 5% cash back on that. So basically what that adds up to is it's that $1,457.43 plus a 2.9% fee plus 30 cents. So basically that's going to add up to $1,500, which is the maximum amount of spending you can do on this 5% category. So that's going to get you back $75, but it's also going to incur a fee. So once you factor in how much the fee is going to be, you end up making, I've got it over here, you end up making $32.43 just for sending somebody money and then having them give it back to you. So for example, if you have husband, wife, whatever, get on PayPal, send them the money, have them go withdraw the cash, and you just made $32 for absolutely no reason. The other way that you can scam them out of some money, and this is completely legal, this is a loophole that I found, and like I said before, I've made about $161 off of it so far, and I'm going to continue to do it until they close this loophole. So grocery stores, you see, January through March, I was deployed this year during January through March, so I wasn't spending any money on grocery stores. But if you go into Safeway, okay, and you buy something and you ask for the maximum amount of cash back, which is $60, you go in there and you'll get 5% back on that. So $60, 5% cash back on that is, I believe it's $320. Let me do this on the calculator. Let's pull it out. 60 times 0.05. $3. Okay, so you'll get $3 cash back, and you continue to do that. Basically, you'll do that 3 into 75. That's 25 times. You basically do that, and you'll get all of the cash back that I'm talking about. So you do that. That'll get you 75, and that'll get you about $32 of profit. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. If you guys do want to sign up with my link, it is down in the description. These other ones are a little bit less useful. You can get more cash back in gas stations. You can get more from the Chase Freedom Flex card. I've actually got that. It's 6.3% that you can get back. Wholesale clubs, you're not going to get into Costco or something with a Discover card, so I don't know how helpful that one really is. Streaming services, I guess that could be helpful. Get you a little bit of cash back, but you're probably not going to, unless you have like some type of business or something, or you have a lot of other people you could pay for. It's not going to be super helpful. Amazon, you can already get 5% from their card. Target, Walmart, I believe you can already get 5% from their respective store cards. So those ones aren't as useful. I just use the PayPal one and the grocery store, where I'll go to Safeway and, like I said, ask for that cash back. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps me out if you guys hit the links down below in the description. Get some free stocks down there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.